Hi everyone, welcome to a new project. This is Winter Tales from Stamperia, and we are making a mini album. The covers are 8.5 by 8.5 with a 2.5-inch spine, and the pages are 8 by 8. There's the front cover, there's the spine, there's the back. It is held together with a chain and charm closure, similar to what I did on Stamperia Forest. I used two 8 by 8 and two 8 by 8 and 1.5 12 by 12. So you're going to need two of each, two 8 by 8, two 12 by 12. I also used a full package, I think, I didn't really count, but I'm pretty sure a full package of artisan cardstock in navy. I get that at Country Craft Creations. It's the only place you can get it. This is not a sponsored post, that's just where I got it. And white artisan cardstock. I used quite a bit. I'm not sure how much because I ran out. So I have several places you'll see as we go through that need to be matted yet in the white. I also used the chipboards, and I used some graphic 45 tags. I used the chains and charms as I showed you, and I used a 1.5-inch snowflake punch, which I don't have handy, to make these little sparkly snowflakes. And I used Cricut glitter vinyl to make those. I just punched them with the punch. Alright, so let's get started and see what we've got. Alright, so inside the front cover, these are chipboards. These come in the chipboard set. And then these are separate little chipboards called decorative chips, also from Stamperia. That's what this is. It's just one. There's two in the package plus some words. Here's some more of the little glitter snowflakes. These metal pieces came with the charms. I bought my pattern paper from Scrap and Create. And when you buy from there, they send you a little mesh bag usually with chips, with charms in it. And little metal pieces. And that's what those are. All right, so let's look at page 1. Moving it over a little to try to make it so you can see it. So it does that, and then it opens like this. Okay, it's held with 2 magnets on each side, so that's a total of 8 magnets, 2 on the pages, 2 on the bottom, so 4 and 4, so there's 8 magnets. There are side pocket inserts, and I will show you one of them as we get to it. I did not have enough of the white to fully mat the rest yet. So on this side we have a belly band with an insert, large one, patterns on the front, white on the back, and then this is just a white seam binding and white cardstock here, and then it's just matted. Okay. And then on this side we have a little pocket, and in the pocket we have a card that is matted. We'll have the white on the back. It's got some of the cut aparts from the 8 by 8 and the 12 by 12, and a graphic 45 square tag, blue on the back. And then this opens, slide over a little bit, and then is a pocket. And there's another cut apart and another matted tag inside. And of course you could put whatever you want in there, photos or whatever. And that's held with 2 magnets. So this has no magnet because of the tie. There's 2, so 4 magnets for this. Let me think. Trying to remember exactly how I did it. There's 1 to hold this closed. And I can't remember how many I used. But anyway, quite a few magnets. All right. And then this is held with 2 magnets. It's a pinwheel. Just like that. And this is a tag that we'll make. It's a graphic 45 regular tag. These are chipboards from Stamperia I added glitter to, and we used some beads and some glitter. This flower is from my stash, and then this is that gold and silver ribbon from my stash. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby quite a while ago, and then it's matted on the back, and it's held to this page with 4 magnets. And this is the side pocket insert that I did finish. So they all are the same with this border on the edge, front and back, and on the back of this one I have the gold and silver glitter ribbon. Okay. And then here we have a pocket, and it has 2 little tags that we'll make. These will have white on the back. I just didn't have white to do it. And these flip up. So these have no magnets, but this has 4. So 2 on the, 2 here and here, and then 2 on the base. And then here we have a pocket, and inside the pocket is a little book that we will make. And I still have to mat the inside covers. I'm going to do pattern paper. I just forgot to do them. So it's just plain paper. You can use whatever kind of paper you want in it. And the white seam binding. These tags have the white seam binding and also white and silver baker's twine. And then here we have a belly band, and these little guys at the bottom are just little glitter dots to try keep things from falling out. 3 tags. These are Graphic 45 regular tags matted on the back, and I've got white seam binding on this one, a blush silk ribbon on this, and the gold on that one, gold and silver. And then this is a little booklet, and it just needs to get the white on the inside. That, and then we have a secretarial pocket here, and there is just a large mat which will be white on the back, and then we have a pocket. It's matted on the back and just has 3 cut aparts inside that have been matted, and they have the silver and white baker's twine, and they have a little bit of the gold. There's a little bit of the gold on the pocket. And that just tucks in there, and you can see throughout I did use let me find one here, I used the We Are Memory Keepers. I just drew a blank what that thing's called, the grommet setter thing. Okay, and there's the back, and here's our chain closure. And on the chain closure I used a barrel clasp this time instead of the lobster claw, but of course you can use whatever you like. Alright, and that is that. I'm just typing up the cutting guide now, so it shouldn't be too long, a couple of days, maybe less, before I have the first part of the tutorial up, and there will be a link to the cutting guide with that tutorial so that you can get that if you want to make this with me, and I hope you do. So I guess that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time, and we will start with this album. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. It really helps my channel. I do appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.